Good news guys, XAU 24/7. So yan yung symbol niyan. You can check it out with Vantage Markets. You can now trade gold even on weekends. So this one, if you're looking for side hustle or a part-time kapag weekends, pag wala tayong work with office, yan, pwede na tayo mag-trade on weekends. So yun lang, syempre kailangan lang natin iset yung expectations natin na with weekends, no, kapag ka nag-trade tayo ng gold, so syempre medyo choppy yung galaw niyan pag weekend, Saturday, Sunday. Walang institutional buying or selling, walang institutional movements, and a lot of big players are out. So this one, pwede tayong mag-trade pero yun nga, very low volume yan. So there's a risk pa rin, pero if you know how to manage your risk, you can take advantage of this. So also, what I like about this XAU 24/7 is that I can also check yung risk sentiments even on weekends. So there's a lot of geopolitical tensions, yung mga nangyayari over the weekends. So lahat yan, magpa-price in yan or makita mo yan sa XAU 24/7. So yun lang no guys, I just want to share this with you, and very exciting kasi you can now this is just the first time no nagkaroon tayo ng 24/7 trading with gold. So if you want to learn more about trading, I invite you sa ating Telegram community. So nandiyan lang yung link sa bahay natin. See you there.